Let me show you how to solve this question. We are asked to find the value of x in x raised to the power of 3 equals to 8 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2x. To solve this question, approach it like this. X raised to the power of 3 equals to 8 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2x. Recall that 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3, right? So I'm going to replace 8 as 2 raised to the power of 3. So the equation becomes x raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2x. Are you following? Okay, if you have a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c, this can be written as a raised to the power of c raised to the power of b. Is that not it? Now, I'm going to use this law. I'm going to apply it at the right-hand side of the equation. So, I'm going to have x raised to the power of 3 equals to 2 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2x raised to the power of 3. I just applied this law. I've not done anything, okay? So just pay attention. Now, because the power are the same, we can set this base to be equal. So x will be equals to 2 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2x. The next step is that I'm going to multiply both the power by x. So this multiply x and this multiply x. What is the power of this x? 1, right? So I'm going to have 1 times x. 1 times x is x. So I'm still going to have x raised to the power of x equals to 2 raised to the power of, now, this x will eliminate this x. So we are left with what? Negative 1 over 2, right? So I'm going to have negative 1 over 2. Now, do not forget that 2 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power of negative 1 multiplied by 1 over 2. Do you know? So I'm going to replace 2 raised to the power of negative 1 over 2 as this in the equation. So I'm going to have x raised to the power of x is equals to 2 raised to the power of negative 1 raised to the power of 1 over 2. X raised to the power of x is equals to, now, 2 raised to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 2 itself. Then the power, which is 1 over 2, right? Now, we can equate each other. So I'm going to have x is equals to 1 over 2, which is the final answer. You can see, if you didn't understand the law of exponents, you won't be able to solve this question. That's it. So please, I want to go to our YouTube channel. There is a particular playlist that is dedicated for questions like this. The playlist is indices, laws of indices and its application, also known as laws of exponents, you understand? So just check the playlist, watch all the classes that is there. Before you know it, you're going to gain a mastery. You're going to gain mastery of question of this kind. So that is the solution to the question. If you have any question as touching the approach here, you can let me know in the comment section, okay? And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, okay? See you in the next class.